All I know, it's late, so a very good evening to you. What I'm going to do now is show you an example which is very important for JEE mains and NEET and your school examination is how tension in the string plays a pivotal role in controlling whether the water will spill out of a bucket which is in vertical circle. So if you have a bucket and you connect it to the string, put water in it and make it undergo a vertical circle, you will be able to successfully show that water does not fall, provided you don't jerk the string at the highest point. So if you jerk the string, the tension vanishes, and once the tension vanishes, you will find that the water falls on you. So tension in the string plays a pivotal role in ensuring that the water does not fall on your head during the vertical circle. So what is that condition that drives water will not fall on your head? Is something I will show in my upcoming video and put it, write it, make a free body diagram, show you why water, will fall down if you jerk the string in a vertical circle. So just wait for this video, which will just follow, this small conversation. This discussion I have is called as conceptual discussion, as to, maybe explain the situation and try and work with the students in understanding what is the problem we are solving. Okay, so this involves centripetal force, it involves weight, it involves tension, and finally we will show what is that condition that will ensure that water does not fall over your head. So wait for the video and it appears within 10 seconds. Thank you. Start with this water in a bucket problem, and this is the vertical circle, okay? Now, if you look into the situation, you have a bucket, which I can show like this, and this bucket is connected to a string, and what it has inside is, I can change the color of the string to, and this is your, water, okay? Now, if you look into this, the various actors, which are being, so you have tension, which is, pulling it. So tension is downwards. And then you have weight of the water, which is downwards. So you have two, which is the tension, and then you have the weight of the water, which is downwards. And these two together, are responsible to provide the centripetal force. And if you were to write water, mass of the water as volume into density. So volume into density, you can put it tension plus volume into density into gravity is equal to V rho V square by R, okay? And then you can get the tension as V rho V square by R minus V rho G. So essentially, this is the equation. Now, what it shows is that you have some tension in the string, which means the tension will always be greater than zero. So, okay, there is a tension, and if I put V rho V square by R minus V rho G to be greater than zero, because tension exists in the string, what you get is, if you solve this particular equation, is V square by R is greater than gravity. And so this is the condition, which has to be met if the water does not spill. And you can see the condition, is spelled out from the tension. So if there is a tension in the string, which is greater than zero, you still will have, some situation where v square by r is greater than g and v square is greater than rg. So v is equal to under root of rg. So that's the way you have to, envisage, and this sign is greater than. If this condition is met, the water will not. But the origin, of this condition resides in the fact that, it pretty much is dependent on tension being greater than zero. Okay, so that's the point. If you jerk and the tension vanishes, the water will fall on your head. So if you're standing here, for example, if there is a man, standing here and trying to go, make this bucket go in a vertical circle, the water will spill on the head of the man. So the water, spills, provided, this condition is not met. So jerking will result in tension vanishing and water, falling on your head. So just remember that water will stay where it is if you have t greater than 0. And because of t greater than 0, this is the condition which is met. I hope this helps you. A lot of numericals on centripetal force and vertical circle in NEET examinations especially have been, on this particular topic of a milk, or water being contained inside a bucket and falling on the head. What's that condition or the velocity that needs to be found out? So this will be very useful. Please go through it in detail, and I appreciate your giving me your time, and you can expect better and more videos. Stay concentrated during this time of COVID. Don't lose your focus and concentration because of this external environment. Keep your focus very high towards, education also, okay? Because this environment has potential of making students dull. And it is very important that you take breaks from your, study schedule and spend quality time in some activity also. This activity could be exercise, this could be cycling, or whatever is convenient and safe for you. To cross this NEET and JEE mains, you require mental stamina. So keep the focus. That's a key for achieving success. And to stay focused, please ensure that you have other activities also inbuilt as part of your day. So thank you very much again for your time, and I look forward to speak to you very shortly. Thank you.